Yeah! You know what y'all clapping for? Because I don't. I'm just happy to be recording right now. All right, now look, man. Today, we going to be covering 5 things I hate about my Lexus IS300. Or things that I feel like Lexus just got wrong with this car. Like, they should have never did it. I don't know why they did it. Come on, bruh. As soon as I'm starting a video, she looking a little ugly right now, man. Got the stock on the back right now. These the sliders, man. You ain't gotta even talk about that. Y'all know what's up, man. Yeah, man, we about to go through these 5 things, man. We about to jump right into it. All right, but look, started with number 1, the top of the list, bro. Like, the top of the list. Like, I'm in the back seat right now. I've never really sat in the back seat of my car. I'm not gonna lie. Since I got this car, I've never sat in the back seat until now. And there's no room. Like, there's really no room in this car, bro. Like, oh goddamn. Ooh. But I really don't know what they was thinking when they made this car, like why they made it so small, bro. Like, there's literally no room. I'm finna put my seat back. I'm finna show y'all. This is me right now. Look, this how I drive. This comfortable, you know what I'm saying? This is like probably like 2-3 inches from the max all the way back. And I can't even bend my knees all the way. Like, my knees is still like bent. I'm finna show y'all. Watch. Look. Done. This car is little as shit, bro. Like, there's no leg room in this car to stretch your legs out. None of that, bro. Like, it's no space. And as you can see, like, how my seat wasn't even all the way back, but my seat is all the way back now. And it's, you definitely not putting no legs back there. Like, you ain't. I'm gonna tell you this right now. You get this car thinking you about to beat some cheeks in this car. It's not happening. You not smacking no buns in this car, bro. Facts. I don't care what you say. If you try to, it ain't gonna be comfortable. Like, you ain't getting no buns in this car, bro. You're like, huh. My neighbor's probably looking at me like, this nigga weird, crazy as fuck. Damn. They going crazy over there. Y'all hear that? Right next to the other Japanese beauty, the G35. Mine's looking kind of busted right now, but it's all good. We gonna get it right. Now moving on to the second thing that I hate about the IS300, the open differential. Like, it's a performance car, man. You're not able to slide in. Like, I got this car trying to slide. I wanted to slide this car, you know what I'm saying? Like, all the drift videos I seen with this car, I wanted to slide it. So when I got this car, I had sliding in my mind, and I just seen like the videos. Like, it's a one-wheeler pillar, like most V6s, like most cars is. This is an open diff, and an open differential, you're not really able to slide this car. This is more, the second thing on this list is more for the sliders, like people that want to drift their cars, people that want to drift their ISs. That's one thing you're gonna have to deal with and understand. Like, when you get this car, yeah, you can slide it. You can always slide the car. I ain't gonna lie, you can slide a one-wheeler pillar, but it ain't gonna slide like when you weld the diff. When you weld the diff, then that's when you gonna be in the game. That's when I realized, you know what I'm saying, when I welded my diff, start sliding, then I was like, okay, saying now it get loose for real, really get loose. But yeah, man, that's the second thing, man. The second thing is the open diff. Oh, let me go to my pretty side of my car, man. The pretty, don't worry about that. Boy, that ain't really pretty. I just did that the other day. That shit looks ugly on camera. Oh my God. All right, man, and for the third thing that I hate about my IS300, the under panel, the plastic under panel, dog. If y'all don't know, on these cars back in the day, some of these cars around this year, I got a 2004. Some of these cars came with recalls. They had some recalls on them, and one of the recalls was, it's over there, hold on, the plastic under panel. All that y'all see right there, y'all not supposed to see that. It's really supposed to be a little plastic panel that's supposed to cover all that up and not get water and no dirt in there and stuff like that. It's really supposed to be covered up. But the under panels on most of the cars flew off, cracked, had bolts missing out of them and stuff like that. And just, I recently went through that. I don't know why I'm still sitting on the floor. I recently went through that. Now, I feel like this was my fault though. Like, I put coilovers on the car. Now, if you get an IS300, you're gonna put coilovers on the car. There's no way around that. If you got an IS300, if you get an IS300 now and you learning about them now, or you know about them, you're not gonna leave the stock shocks. You're not gonna leave the stock springs on the car. You're gonna put coilovers on the car. You know you are. But I was going down the street one day, going down the school zone, and they got them little cords in the middle of the street. I don't know what it's for, but I guess it's a monitor or something like that. Yo, why? I went over the bump, and then all I heard was I looked in the rearview mirror, and all I seen was something black flying in the wind all the way in the back of the street, all the way behind me. And I was like, damn, I already knew what it was, because I put it back on the night before. It was like flapping under the car, like just hitting. Every time I would bump, it would, and it would sound like just something scraping like the whole time I'm driving. But it flew off, and yeah, that's the third thing, the plastic under panel. I hate that. I don't know I just feel like they just, I don't know, they should have made it more reinforced. They should have reinforced it more, because you need that, you know, that stuff under there you need, you know what I'm saying? If you need it, then it should be reinforced. This shouldn't be plastic and stuff like that. But it's cool, man. They did what they did. That's the third thing. All right, man, and for the fourth thing, this right here, this little guy right here, and this, no mind, come on, man, y'all see, I gotta have the smell goods inside the car, man. Don't mind that tissue. Gotta have the smell goods inside the car, man. This thing right here, as y'all can see, look at this. This is not in the center console. I don't know what the fuck this is. I don't know what they were doing, what they thought. I don't know. Like, this car really doesn't have a center console. This is where you store your stuff like this. You're not fitting nothing else in this. I don't know what, I just don't know. I have nothing to say about this. It has to be on the list though, because this is crazy. You're not fitting more than one drink right here. It has 2 lines for a cup holder? Nah, you ain't fitting 2 water bottles in this mug. I ain't lying to you. Like, watch this. We about to do a little test. I'm about to turn the car on. I'm about to do a little, let's say you got a cup and you finna stop. You gotta stop. You got a quick stop. Oh no, the cup falls. Now this is an extra large cup, but this is a large cup, so you know I had to tip it over with my hand. But let's say you got a medium, you got a small drink or something like that, and you make a stop, boom, you're done. Or you drive, you got a green light, you gotta go, boom, you're done. It's a lose-lose. Like, I don't know what they were doing with this cup holders, but the cup holder, one of the worst things on this list. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This right here, this cup holder, these 2 things together, it beats everything on this list. This really should have been top 1 of the list. If you get in this car, beware, you will have no center console. This isn't a cup holder. This is, I don't even know what to call this. It's just this. This is what it is. And for the 5th and final thing on this list, gas, bro. You see what that says right there? Look what that says. Premium unleaded fuel only. You know how much premium costs in Georgia? You know how much premium costs? If you on the West Coast, bro, and you in Cali, you probably paying like $6, $5-6 for some premium. Where I'm at, bro, I'm paying $4.50. You know how much that is to fill up this car? It usually take probably like $50, $55 to fill up this car. I filled it up today, bro. Gas was like $3.50, $3.60, something like that. And I filled it up with $37. I was so happy, bro. I don't know how it filled up, but I was just glad it filled up, you know what I'm saying? But the gas on this car is terrible. It's 93, so it do burn a little slower. But bro, if you're a youngin', you know what you buying this car for, bro. You trying to push this car, no matter how much horsepower. It got 215 horsepower on it, but that don't matter, bro. This car moves. This car, you see how little this car is? This car is little. Like, this car moves, bro. This car moves. I'm not gonna lie. So when you get this car, bro, you're gonna want to slide this car. You're gonna want to drive this car. Don't get me started when I'm sliding this car with gas, bro. You slide this car, your gas tank going down 3 notches in 3 circles. You do 3 circles, or you do a lap or 3, whatever you do, your gas is going down 2 notches, 3 notches with just that. I'm not gonna lie to you. The gas on this car is terrible. If you pushing this car, it's terrible, bro. If you pushing this car, bro, you're gonna end up getting gas the next day. It don't matter how you put it, bro. You're gonna have to get gas the next day, bro. Your gas hand is gonna go down so fast. Now, if you driving it regularly, I'd say you'll probably get like a good 2. All right, I'm gonna just say you'll probably get a couple days out of this car if you ain't pushing it, but I'm pushing it. And if you got this car, you know what you're getting it for. You're gonna push it. I don't care what you say. I'm not gonna push it. I'm not gonna push it. I'm not gonna push it. You're gonna push it, bro. It's gonna be a lot of money. Wherever you at, it's gonna be a lot of money to fill this car, no matter what. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why I haven't went on the right side of my car. This is from what a welded diff do. I smacked this the first day I got my diff welded. If y'all haven't seen that video, go look at it. There was a bigger smashed hole. Ended up pushing it out. I ended up slamming right into a tree or some bushes. I don't know what it was. I just went off the road and just went sideways. But yeah, man, the gas sucks. The gas is terrible. All right, and this one is the 6th one. This one I decided to add this one in. It's a bonus one. But the 6th thing I don't like about this car, bro, I hate it, is the radio system. Now, don't get me wrong. That radio, the speakers in this car, factory LEXUS speakers are amazing. They got the right bass. Like, it just sounds good. But this right here, and having to put a new radio in it, you gotta get an amp adapter to plug under there. Like, it's like a lot of stuff. You just gotta wire the amp. Or I think they got a plug and play one. I don't know. I think they do got a plug and play. But you got to wire it or plug and play, whatever. You just got to put the adapter up in there, and it's just a lot you just got to do to get a radio to work in this car. I did my radio in this car when I first got it, and as y'all see, it's not in here because I just couldn't do it. I put the radio in. Me and my partner, we put the radio in, put the amp. We had the amp adapter, and we plugged it up. We hooked everything up, and it just didn't work. The screen was on, it was looking good, screen was on, but it just had no sound. So I don't know what the problem with that was. I guess that's just like a personal thing that I hate about this car is the amp system. I just don't like how you got to do all the extra stuff to listen to music, you know what I'm saying? I don't like that. But other than that, bro, I do like the speakers in this car. The regular factory speakers in this car is amazing. I can't say nothing about it. I got both of these speakers right here, this one and that one, are blown, and it still has good bass from the back. No homo. But yeah, man, that's the sixth and the final thing that I hate about my Lexus IS300. But hey, man, this finna be the end of the video, man. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, favorite, share it by y'all know, man. Turn on post notifications so y'all know every time I post. But man, I love y'all. Y'all stay safe out there. Stay on y'all P's and Q's, man. Let me know if y'all want videos of me fixing this car right here, bro. There's a couple things wrong with this car. I gotta get in the engine and just do a couple things, bro. But this my 2005 G35X. This car definitely does move. 295 horsepower, stock, all-wheel drive. Yeah, we can get this right for sure if y'all want to see that. I'm gonna get it right regardless, because I don't want to just sit in here. But yeah, man, let me know if y'all want videos on this, and I'll see y'all next video, man. No cap.
Lay up with a vibe and night off. Spend the night and I'm fucking the lights out. Spray the drums out your car like some lights off.